Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sharma and welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'll teach you how you guys can go ahead and get custom Instagram stories filters on your iOS device. So it's gonna be pretty cool, guys. So I'm saying custom filters, it doesn't mean like the one that you can actually like the one that can recognize the face. I mean this filters that has this cool, as you guys can see, it says Netflix and chill, Fortnite, all those cool Supreme, all those cool filters, Snapchat custom filters. These are called geo filters or custom filters. So this is not those type of doggy filters or other filters that can recognize your face. It is a filter that is like a geolocation filter, as you guys can see. So I'll show you how you guys can go ahead and get this. Pretty cool and it's free, no jailbreak required and a PC. Let's get started. Alright guys, so go ahead and go to this link. The link will be in the description box. Make sure you guys open this link from Safari, and once you guys are here, all I want you guys to just double tap on the install button, and if the ad pops, close out of it, go back to here, and now click on install one more time and wait for a few seconds, and you should get this notification. Click on allow and it will take in settings, and just click on install. Go and put your passcode if you guys have one, and click on install and install. Boom. Now just tap on done and go back to the home screen, and you should get this IPA for iOS app. Tap to open it up. Now if you get this ad, click on cancel, go to apps, go to tweak apps, and scroll down and find the Instagram plus. Tap on here, click on get, click on install, and go back to the home screen, and the app should start downloading, as you guys can see. If you get this one more time, don't worry, click on cancel again, and boom, there you go, it's downloading now. I'll be right back when it's done, shouldn't take that long. There you go, it's done. You should get Instagram plus here. Tap to open it. If you get this message, untrusted enterprise developer, it's pretty quick to fix. Go to settings, go to general, go down to profile and device management, go down, and you should get this enterprise app. Just click on trust. Now open it up and make sure you guys go ahead and log in with your Instagram account, which I'm gonna do it right now. And boom, click on OK for notification, allow. And now all I want you guys to do is go to down here, go to your profile, click on that icon, setting icon, go to IG++ settings. In here, scroll down and click on enable custom filters, and go to manage custom filters, and here just tap on this plus icon at the top and click on choose from web. And now you guys can go ahead and select download any filters you want. Let's go ahead and download this one. Click on save, go back and save this, click on close and click on done. Go back and go to home and go to its camera, click on allow camera access and microphone access. Now let's go and take a picture. If there's ad, just close out of it. Just click on picture and take a picture, and if you go ahead and slide through it, you should get this filter. There you go, Fortnite is here, this is here, as you guys can see. I've just downloaded 2 of them. Alright guys, so just have fun with it. That's all for today. If you like it, make sure if this video was helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll catch you on next one. Peace.